This is the main entrance to the old city of Marrakesh. The historic town was damaged. In the old city of Marrakesh, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, some residents were injured as buildings and city walls were damaged and partially collapsed. This neighborhood is one of the most affected areas in the old Medina of Marrakesh. Many people have already left the area. Now I'm walking in the most affected street in the old Medina of Marrakesh. Many residents have left the area. They refuse to sleep at home. They are sleeping on the street after the first earthquake. Many people say they are terrified and they refuse to go back home after the first earthquake. They are expecting a second one, but the population and the authorities hope that it won't happen. The rescue operations are underway. The authorities have provided all the necessary equipment and the rescue teams to support the local population here in Marrakesh. Abdel Shawishi, CGTN, Marrakesh, Morocco.